Hello everyone, today we're diving into the world of versatile cooking with the Cuisinel cast iron skillet set, featuring 8, 10, and 12-inch pre-seasoned frying pans that are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. These skillets are designed with precision heat distribution, thanks to their smooth finish, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly whether you're using a grill, stove, induction cooktop, or even an open fire. With true cooking versatility, these skillets are perfect for frying, baking, grilling, broiling, braising, and sautéing a variety of dishes from meats to vegetables. Crafted with seasoned cast iron, these skillets promise long-term reliability, outlasting years of cooking and washing. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply hand wash, dry thoroughly on the stove at medium heat, and season with oil to maintain their quality. Just remember, no dishwashers or air drying here. Included with the set are silicone handle holders, providing a non-slip grip, but always remember to use an oven mitt or towel as the grips can get hot. Elevate your cooking game with the Cuisinel cast iron skillet set, where quality craftsmanship meets unmatched versatility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.